I'll be eating this.
Can I get one of those at least?
You can't eat it.
Why not?
Here you go.
That shit is hard. Yeah, why that shit so hard? I'm cooked. What's your top 5 favorite fast food restaurants? McDonald's, Wendy's. Why Wendy's though?
Wendy's has the best nuggets.
Who puts 5 in their top 5 Wendy's?
A lot of people. Wendy's is really good.
Wendy's is the nastiest.
Cute. Says the person that likes Hardee's. Like,
Right. They
I haven't
nasty.
met anybody that likes it.
Okay, my top
I
5.
don't know.
No one cares. My top 5, like I said. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby Showtime back again with another video with Raya Paya, who's already been ate out most of her food already before the mukbang even started because she was hungry. What we got is the Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden. It's got sausage, potatoes, spinach, and everything you like. Hers, she has the broccoli with the fettuccine alfredo and breadsticks. Have we meat in it? With no meat. Hold the meat. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next from us. And yeah, get into the mukbang.
Some water.
That or
Thank you.
shrimp alfredo? Shrimp better than that? That should look good though. We got broccoli and stuff in it. You can't beat that though.
It's not bad.
I'll make shrimp better though. Hope they added shrimp to that. This shit's spicy as hell.
I'll be eating this.
Can I get one of those at least?
You can't eat it.
Why not?
Here you go.
This shit is hard. Yeah, why that shit so hard? I'm cooked.
You can dip it in your soup.
I'm good. Like y'all know I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Not my best experience, but it was cool. First day wasn't even that bad for real. I wanted no penny all that day, or the second day. It's the third day, I'm already biting down on food. Damn. Them shit's that big? Oh, do it again, do it again. You gotta eat it though, on camera, so. Yeah, good girl. Do it one more time, do it one more time. I mean, you gotta bite down, babe.
That's my dishwasher doing that.
Oh yeah, the dishwasher. I know that noise. Look at the spinach though, y'all. Look at the spinach. Then y'all know we got this garden salad. Cooking with Raya. You ever thought about doing like cooking with Raya? Cooking with Raya. Cooking with Raya. Cooking with Raya. Hey. Oh. Hey. You could do it though. You can cook. Nah, that salmon though you just made. Y'all burnt the house down.
I just used a new pot.
Really? Well, so what happened though?
This thing got stuck to the bottom because it's not a stick. I didn't use a non-stick skillet. It was too. I forgot.
You ain't like sprayed or nothing?
I did.
And they still got stuck? Ain't no way. So I guess I gotta make you like a. You gave me your no stick pan now. You did? You gave me one pan though. It was no stick.
It was another. Oh, I did. I just never used that one.
You use it for salmon.
It's too small.
No. That one's too small. That one's big as hell though. Chinese zoom this kind is so good. Want some? What's that? What's your top 5 favorite fast food restaurants? Bro, what are you doing that? What's your top 5 though?
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
Now, if I knock it out your hand, I'll be the wrong guy. I'll be the wrong guy and the bad guy.
Chick-fil-A.
Of course. Besides Chick-fil-A. Hell, besides Chick-fil-A though. Besides Chick-fil-A.
I don't eat any other fast food than Chick-fil-A.
Oh. Damn, so what's your top? You ain't got a top 5 then.
I mean, when I used to, probably like Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's. Panda Express is like that.
Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's. Why Wendy's though?
Wendy's has the best nuggets.
Who puts 5 in their top 5 Wendy's?
A lot of people. Wendy's is really good.
Wendy's is the nastiest.
Says the person that likes Hardee's. Like,
right. They
I haven't met anybody that likes to eat Hardee's.
Hardee's is like a North Carolina type of.
Yeah, most of the people I know in North Carolina. No one eats at Hardee's.
That's good.
It's not.
Chat, put in the comment section, Hardee's or Wendy's.
I'm not gonna lie. When I was little, I used to love Arby's because my mom always take me to Arby's.
Arby's?
My mom would always take me to Arby's after church.
That shit almost made me throw up one time.
Arby's is good to me. I just haven't eaten there in years.
It's that horseradish though. That shit be strong.
I don't eat horseradish.
You ain't never tried it before? That shit don't like. I would recommend you try it like if you're sick. Cause that shit gonna go right up your nose.
I always got mozzarella sticks from Arby's. I think that's just my favorite place. Well, it used to be my favorite place. And then the roast beef sandwich with that sauce, it was so good. People be sleeping on Arby's. I mean, I haven't been there in a while, but like, I don't know why people be kind of nasty.
I'm still sleeping on Arby's.
Arby's is really good.
It's alright. Y'all won't go there like my first choice of the fast food. We got all these other options like Chick-fil-A and all the other places.
Yeah.
Like if I were down to my last restaurant on earth, I'd go to Arby's.
It's pretty good.
So, chat. So would y'all consider Olive Garden a fast food restaurant? Or it's a restaurant? Americanized Italian food. I would definitely still eat.
Mine would be Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
She loved Chick-fil-A, y'all. She actually said Chick-fil-A twice, so I said anything else.
It would be Chick-fil-A, then McDonald's, then Cookout. Those are my top 3. Cookout is like, you have to eat in moderation though. You can't eat a lot. Cookout is like definitely. Oh, Bojangles.
That is a hood part.
I forgot about Bojangles is definitely top. I'd take McDonald's.
Hell no. Take what's name out.
You don't like Cookout that much. I
love
Cookout.
Out of
Cookout is good. I didn't eat it a lot.
I used to eat it all the time. I was forced to eat it after every basketball game. The Bulls would have to go.
Okay, well that's why.
After every basketball game, everybody went to Cookout, the chick.
I'm putting Chick-fil-A, Bojangles, and Cookout.
Chad, what's y'all top 5, bro? Cause your top 5 cook. Chick-fil-A is in there. Chick-fil-A is in there.
It's my opinion.
Cook the opinion. Okay, my top 5.
I didn't know.
No one cares. My top 5, like I said. My top 5, like I said. We got number 1.
Nasty shit.
Chick-fil-A. No, I ain't no Chick-fil-A. Number 1, Freddy's.
You don't even like Freddy's like that.
Freddy's is good as hell.
That's your number 1.
Yes. If I had to go anywhere else, I'd go to Freddy's.
You never even used to like Freddy's.
I love Freddy's.
But when we first started talking,
I love Freddy's though. They're not really around like that. But
yeah, they are.
They're so
Where
rare.
you live, there were.
It's like 15 minutes from me. I'm not driving my way up to Freddy's.
That's not far.
Chick-fil-A right down the street. It's convenient.
From you? Chick-fil-A was not close to you.
It's like 5 minutes from me. Anyways, I got number 1 Freddy's because it's so rare to get now, and the burgers be so good. Those steak burgers are fire. Number 2, Hardee's. Number 3, Chick-fil-A. Number 4, McDonald's. And for my number 5, Burger King. Those are my top 5. Top 5 restaurants to go to. Like a boss. It's a lot of damn soup. Damn. You already done? Damn. You already done, bro. What you gonna eat now? Help me eat my salad. You want some of that salad though. I got all this, bro. She took that nasty ass bread out on her fingertip and put it in my damn soup. What you doing? Clip farming.
Wow.
You know what clip farming is.
Yeah, I do. That'd be you.
What's clip farming?
I'm doing shit to get clipped.
Duh. That's gonna make the video interesting.
What?
That's what's gonna make the video interesting. Here.
Spicy.
Thank you for drinking something for the
No,
clip.
that's nasty.
For the clip though.
For the clip. Here's my clip. I'm about to eat this with no reaction. Stop.
Eat some of it.
No reaction. Watch.
Watch what I do to watch you eat. You better not eat it.
Why? You can't even eat this.
Eat it. You see what happens if you eat it.
You can't eat it.
See what happens if you eat it.
Stop. Okay, I'm about to eat this with no reaction.
That shit is not hot.
That shit is hot.
Rate the food 1 through 10. And put 10.
No reaction. It is hot though. It's spicy. But I like those, especially on like Papa John's pizza. Those are good.
Not the same thing as that pepper you say.
They're the same ones. But the one at Papa John's are bigger.
Trying to eat my food.
What?
Once you finishing stuff already.
Here's your salad. You can't even eat this.
Can you feed it to me?
Here's your salad.
Can you feed it to me? Please. What?
I need to stick those croutons where your teeth are removed.
Can you feed it to me?
You can't eat this, no.
I can't eat this one up.
It's too crunchy. Try this up on a tomato. Pause. Try to like chew, like use your front teeth.
Can you do it? Alright, come on. Alright. You can do the honors.
No, try it. See if you can taste it first.
What you mean, see if I can taste it?
No, see if you can chew it first.
I can chew. I just chewed on that sausage.
Oh my god.
There. Come on, I can eat it. Yeah. All right, here we go. Yeah. Get that thing.
No! Keep picking it up.
Do it.
Keep picking it up for Louis gets it.
There's no one else.
Bro, can you just still pick it up?
Can I eat the food first? Then I pick it up.
No! Pick it up. God.
You the one to do it.
Okay, but you can still pick it up. I'm done. Bye, y'all.
All right, here we go. I'm by my lonely now. About to eat the food. With my thumbs up. Great. All right, y'all. We'll conclude the mukbang. Appreciate y'all for joining. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want to see next from us in our next episode. Y'all be blessed, stay safe, and continue to have a great and wonderful spring break. All right. See y'all next time. Oh, and make sure to comment down below and like the video too, bro. Y'all be watching these videos, but not commenting down below, engaging in the comment section in the video. Get active in the vid. Get active. All right, bye.